Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
1. Use the mobile application. Step 1. First of all, download the Roku application. Step 2. After that, select the option of Remote. Step 1. Remove the back cover of your remote. Step 2. There is a small button below the battery. Step 3. Keep your remote close to Roku and hold it in that position for a few seconds.
Take our lead.
To connect your Roku device to an enhanced remote, insert new batteries in the remote. Then turn your Roku device on and place the remote near your device. This will start the pairing process. You will also see on-screen prompts, after which your remote will be ready to use.
Let's help you make your mark.
Control Roku TV with the free Roku mobile app for Android, iOS and Windows phones. Similar to our Roku players, with Roku TV, we give you the option to control the TV through the included remote or from your smartphone or tablet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.